Good day, gentlemen. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby here for the iWare 1350 crane truck. Now we already got the new control boom board. So let's see how to replace it and make the first time working. And my second video will show you all the system, how it's working and how to calibrate. Here, let's see. Come here. We will first power on the radio. Then we power on the truck. Now I already get it assembled. I will show you how it looks like. So that's the new board for control boom. And we have another board for calibrating. This board for calibrating it with a USB wire. So this side, the C-type connecting to here. And the other side, after connecting to here, because already powered on the truck, you will show the data from the board. Now let's connect it. After connect, check here, it will be powered on. That's the position POS. Now that's the locking pin, the claw position. 83. So that's comparing to the boom, it will be like this. 5 boom. At the rear side, that's 0. 0 minimum meter. Then extending to forward. Here would be around 742. That's for the forward 5 locking pin position. All same at forward. 5 boom forward, 5 position. All one same hole, yeah. And so here now it's showing position A3, section 0. Throttle, that's pump load 60%, mode auto. So now I already get it assembled. I will show you the basic how it's working. So now if I start Model 2 already, then boom out. It will be locking the pin, find the position, then it will go out. And after find position, now it's already going. Also boom coming out. So the position for showing the cable sensor showing the distance, now it's calculating. Going forward, the distance changing. That's the distance for the locking pin for the claw going forward with the cylinder. And after it coming to the first boom 1T, second boom forward 2T, and it will show the distance and will be locking exactly as we calculated the distance. Now pump not slow down, pump same speed, but the valve opening less before reaching the point. Now slow down and now locked. 742 locked, then coming back, it's showing, coming back. So after coming back, for the second boom rear side pin, that would be 2B. So first boom, let's see, I will stop it. So forward first boom rear side locking 1B, second boom rear side 2B, third boom rear side locking 3B, 4B, 5B. And first boom go forward and locking here will be 1T. Second boom go forward, locking here will be 2T, 3T, 4T, 5T. And so each one I already calibrated and see marked. So every crane truck, they would be almost the same, only one manufacturing, each hole, each boom. Rear side 5 point. Forward side 5 boom, yeah, forward side 5 point. They will be around 1 or 1.5 minimum meter difference. So after you receive the new board, we only have to calibrate each one, maybe 1 minimum meter difference. Now, let's see from my drawing. So come here. Rear side for the 1B, it's around 82. 2B 68, 3B 52. 4B 35, 5B 20 minimum meter. If coming to the rear side, sensor cable length is 0, that's comparing. So forward for the first boom, 1T, 743, 2T 743, 3T 742, 4T a little bit difference, 741, 5T the last boom, 741. Now you have general idea how they working. Let's see how to replace the original board to this new board. So originally board, I will send you this copy. You will see originally board we have here, that's number 7, sensor port. Sensor port now moving to the board, this position. Sensor port number 7. And originally board number 4 here. Number 4 is for cable winch port, moving to 1, 2, 3, number 4. Number 5 for locking pin output port for the locking pin servo. It's top, number 5. Number 6, telescopic output port, the valve for boom out and back. Number 6, 5, 4, 5, 6, 4. And number 10, here that's the pump. Pump EIC connecting to number 10. 9, that's pump input port, means from receiver coming to here, control the pump. That's number 9. Number 8, telescopic input port, means from receiver controlling the boom for out and back, coming to number 8 here, last one. We have 2 more pin position, none, not in use. So that's all. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 from originally board. Each function name corresponding to here 7, 5, 6, 4, 10, 9, 8. Corresponding one by one plug in, changing to new board. So we already show how to replace the new board. After replace, you can connect this screen to show the data where the claw, where the pin is. But normal running, you can take it out. You can directly operate, boom out, boom back, no problem. Only if you met some situation, you're not sure what's going on, if something wrong, not working, you can connect this adjusting board to the control board. It will showing the data. So now, first boom already out. We continue. The claw is coming back. Check the number. The claw is coming back for second boom. So we'll unlock 2B around 68. Unlock second boom. Now unlocking. Now second boom go out. And changing. The data changing. Go forward, forward, forward until 7, 4, 3. Second boom will be locking here. I will drop it a little bit so you can see more clearly. Now 500 until 743, it will be locking here for second boom. Before reaching here point, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, the valve close a little bit. Valve now half open, boom moving very slow. So accurately slow down, stop here, locking. Now it's locked. 743, locked here. Pin already locked. Now claw moving back for number 3 boom. So we'll be locking 3B, then go forward, locking 3T, then coming back for 4B, then go forward, locking 4T, then coming back for 5B, then go forward, locking at forward, 5 boom finish. So reverse for boom, take out, take back. Now is coming back for third boom. Third boom, 3B, rear side is 52. Now unlocking. Unlocking the pin, go forward. Number 3 boom is coming. And again, coming to here, around 742, we'll be locking here again. So now it's 10 points, more accurate. Each one accurately locking, calibrating for each boom. Forward 5 position, rear side 5 position. Yeah, so for number 3, what I write, 742, around this number, each one will be 1 minimum meter difference. So now we'll be locking. The valve close the half, slow down. And coming here, exactly, stop, now locking. Around 743, 742. So now again, coming back, numbers reducing, the claw is coming back with the sensor cable. And again, will be for 4B as for the procedure. Now let's stop. You can stop at any this middle position, but near the locking pin, near the forward locking pin position, around 3-4 centimeters, do not stop, because this position is for valve already half open, slow down operation. If you reverse, it's not reacting accurately. So bypass this forward and rear near the locking point a few centimeters. Middle position, you can stop anywhere. Continue boom out. It's coming. So for number 4, boom. Number 4, as I calculated, I write down 35. Until coming to rear side, around 35 minimum meter, it will stop and unlock. Stop, unlock. Now go back, go forward. So 2 operations. First, coming to the point. For example, let's for the 4B. After coming to the 35, 4B rear side, number 4 boom rear side, locking unlocking point, 35 minimum meter, it will stop. Then means stop means the boom out and back valve first close. Then the locking pin valve servo opens the valve for locking, unlocking the boom pin, and bottom piece, the cylinder pin will be locked. The claw top coming down, then go forward. So whatever what time you are doing the test, remember put the counterweight block, and the boom should not be lying down like this because my cylinder is low. So always the boom should be rising around more than 45 or 50% angle. 50 degree, yeah, rising more. That's normal operation. Let's continue finish all the boom out. Let's continue, you can see where the claw is, how is the situation. Now you hear, you can see it's slowing down because the valve half open. And before reaching the point, slow down and lock in the pin. Now it's coming back for the last number 5 boom. Okay, almost there, already slow down. Pump, same speed, only the valve half open, slow down. Unlocking, go out. After unlock, boom, valve open, go out. Check the section. Section is not 1 to 5, it's 0 to 10. At the initial position, all boom back, that's 0. After the boom start moving, the first boom start go out, that's number 1 section. After first boom reaching this point, first boom reaching forward point, that's number 2 section. Yeah. And it's coming back, number 2 section. After the claw again coming back for the number 2 boom, that's number 3 section. 1 by 1. Each time, initial 0, first boom start moving, 1, first boom reaching forward, 2, calculating each point, adding 1 by 1. Now, last boom is coming out, number 5 boom, it's number 9 section. After the number 5 boom reaching forward point, finish all section, number 10. Everything finished, boom out. Let's continue. Now still 9. After reaching forward, it will be changing section 10. Okay, valve will be half open. Now already half open, slow down. And slowly reaching the calibrated point. In position, number 10 section. All section finish. 10 process. 5 booms out, finish. So now operating stop. So we can continue operate backward, all the boom back. It's coming back. Each process is reversed. Also you can see from the screen the length of the cable sensor of the locking pin with the claw. Let's continue or finish it. Now we'll slow down. Slow down, and after reaching the point accurately, then locking the pin. Finish this operation. Then second one. Now is going forward for number 4 boom, then locking, unlocking the boom pin, then coming back. Every time before reaching the point around 2 centimeters, the board will give signal for the valve half open, slow down, so can be reaching the position more accurately than locking, unlocking the pin. If you are slowing down as last time the originally board first version was not open the valve half, was slowing down the pump. If slowing down the pump is a problem, is the pump depending on the voltage, depending on the pressure and the oil flow. If you slow down the pump when you're unlocking the pin, the pressure, the flow, all different. It's not so accurate. So we keep the pump same speed, pressure same, oil flow same. Only the valve half open to slow it down, slowly reaching the point and locking. It is now very accurate. And now what is good for this board is factory redesigning it with a lot of protection electronics. So no matter what is your voltage, what operation you went wrong, mistake operation, any mistake from operation or something wrong with the board, they don't influence the originally what we calibrated data. It will not lost, it will not be messed up. So the board now is very stable. So when you're operating boom out and back, everything you're operating, you don't afraid you're operating something wrong, get messed up the board. Continue going. Slow down. After in position, lock. Then go to other board, other boom. Yeah, now again for the second boom. Let's see, it's going forward, distance coming more until reaching 742 or 743. From the screen, it's showing minimum difference is 1 minimum meter. But from the sensor cable, also the sensor at the rear side of the boom, it's 0.1 minimum meter accuracy. Yeah, it's there and unlocking and then coming back. After reaching rear side pin position, number 3 will be changing to number 2. Turn process. Slow down, lock it. Now after lock, changing to section 2. After reaching this pinpoint forward, it will becoming number 1. After all boom back, it will becoming 0. Going forward. Almost there, slow down. Valve half open. In position now, unlock. Then open another valve coming back. Still number 1, after all finish, will be initial position 0. Slow down. So 82, exactly as what I calibrated 1B, 82. Others only sometime because from the screen is only showing 1 minimum meter difference. So sometimes is 82, sometimes showing 83 because from the sensoring cable inside it's now here it's showing 82, but inside maybe it is 81.9. or 82.1. There is very little difference because the sensor more accurate than the screen showing number. So have a little difference because only the showing not so accurate as the sensor. Here 1 minimum meter, sensor 0.1 minimum meter accuracy. Now everything finished. Okay, initial position 82, section 0, all boom back, finish. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I will show you all the calibration method if some situation happened, because first time you running this board, because this board was loading the initial data from factory crane truck. They calibrated it from factory crane truck boom, but each boom, each point have around 1 minimum meter difference. So after you receive and connected when you're running, maybe the point of the pin each position, locking and unlocking have 1 minimum meter difference. So we will calibrate it with my another video. Thank you for watching. See you.